In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Teamwork extension in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who uses Teamwork extensively for managing projects, then this extension is going to be a game changer for you. Now let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. While I'm demonstrating this process using Google Chrome, you can typically modify these steps for use with other browsers like Firefox or Edge, but today we are focusing on Google Chrome. Once your browser is open, type teamwork.com Chrome extension into the search bar. This search will help us find the official extension quickly and easily. Now, you should see a list of search results, and you want to click on the first result you see. It should take you directly to the Chrome Web Store page dedicated to the Teamwork extension. This is the most reliable and secure place to find it, so ensure you're on the official page before moving forward. Once you've reached the correct page, you will notice a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Clicking this button is your next step. Doing so will prompt your browser to prepare for installation. You'll want to keep an eye out for a pop-up window that appears just after you click Add to Chrome. In the pop-up, there will be another button asking if you'd like to add extension. Go ahead and click that. This action confirms that you want to install the extension and may require a moment for your browser to finalize the process. After the extension has been installed, you'll spot the teamwork.com icon nestled in your browser's toolbar near the top of your window. Clicking on this icon is essential because it enables the extension for your account. Finally, you'll need to log into your teamwork.com account. This step is crucial as it will connect the extension with your existing account, allowing you to maximize the benefits and features of Teamwork from the comfort of your browser. Simply enter your login credentials and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and connected the Teamwork extension in your browser. This little tool can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance productivity by bringing Teamwork's powerful features directly to your browser. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project managing with Teamwork.